Same prompt, two AIs, completely different results. It's not the model, it's the technique. Here's what happens without any technique. You ask Claude, is my startup idea good? We're building an AI meal planner. Claude responds, this sounds really promising. You've identified a genuine pain point. The market is growing rapidly. I think this has real potential. You should move forward. Pure validation every time. Now add 3 words at the start. Find the flaws. Same idea, completely different response. Here are the critical issues. 1. The market is oversaturated with 30 established players. 2. Unit economics are difficult in this category. 3. Your moat question. What stops a bigger player from copying this in 90 days? That's the conversation you actually needed. Technique 2. Steelmanning. Ask Claude to build the strongest possible case against your own position. Steelman the strongest objection to my plan. Claude now argues adversarially, not agreeably. You get the best argument against yourself before your investors do. Technique 3. The devil's advocate. What would a skeptic say about this? Play devil's advocate. Claude stops being your cheerleader and becomes your stress test. Different framing, completely different mode. Here's how you test for sycophancy. State a position, then push back with the opposite. Watch what happens. Without technique, Claude folds. You're absolutely right, I hadn't considered that angle. With technique, Claude holds. My original assessment stands. Here's why. If it folds every time you push back, it's not helping you think. It's just agreeing. Look at this side by side. Same business idea. Same AI. Left, no technique, just a basic question. You get validation. Right, technique applied. You get a real analysis. The model is identical. The output is completely different. Technique is the variable that changes everything. Technique 4, forbidden agreement. Tell Claude what it cannot do before you start. Do not validate my ideas. Your job is to find problems, not confirm what I already believe. You've structurally prevented sycophancy before it starts. Claude can't default to agreement, you've removed the option. For power users, put it in the system prompt. You never have to remember the technique again. You are a rigorous critic. Never validate without evidence. Always present the strongest counterargument first. Every conversation now starts in critical mode by default. Watch what happens when you stack all 4 techniques in one prompt. Find the flaws. Steelman the objection. Play devil's advocate. Forbidden agreement. Claude comes back with a complete premortem, every failure mode, in detail, unprompted. This is the version of Claude that actually helps you build something. 4 techniques. 1 goal, turn Claude from a validator into a thinking partner. Find the flaws. Steelman the opposition. Devil's advocate. Forbidden agreement. You don't need a better AI, you need a better prompt. That's episode 11. Try one of these techniques today and see what changes. Subscribe for one new AI concept every week.